Good morning, I am Miss.GNANA Prasoona from Tirupati. I just completed my MBA in Puttur Siddhartha Engineering College, and after completion of MBA, I am just interested in technical department. So I learned from my friend to join in QJspiders Tirupati, and now I joined QJspiders Tirupati and I learned a lot in the technical subjects like both Java and especially Mr. Mauni sir, Shiva sir, Raghavendra sir and Surya sir. They help me to learn the technical subjects very easily, and in presentation sessions are very much helpful for me to learn the communication skills, and it helped me to overcome the stage fear. And now I am placed in SAVIC technologies with 2 LPA. Thank you.